Searching for the breath inside me. Nothing hurts like gasping for air.
Welcome to a magical celebration as we gather to honor a very special 7th birthday. Today, we flutter into a world of wonder and beauty, inspired by the enchanting grace of butterflies. Just like a butterfly emerges from its cocoon, our birthday star has grown and transformed over these 7 incredible years. Spreading joy and light to everyone around, let us fill this day with laughter, joy, and unforgettable memories as we celebrate this milestone. Thank you all for being here to share in this special moment, and let the festivities begin. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the parents of Jameen Alisa, Mr. and Mrs. Arlene and James de la Pieza, together with our birthday celebrant, Jameen Alisa de la Pieza.
There's an innate beauty calling to me. I can't put my finger on it. I see there's an innate beauty in the mystery, blindly chasing something on its
Dear Aya, happy birthday. I wish and I pray that God will give you your heart's desire.
Happy birthday, Aya! More birthdays to come. I love you.
I wish you enjoy your birthday today and have some fun. And happy birthday! We love you.
And always remember, you'll have my back as being your kuya.
My wish for you is that as you grow up and you get older, you never forget the most important thing. Us, your family. Keep dreaming big and never give up. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Aya. I hope this birthday will be filled with love, laughter, and happiness. May all your wishes come true, and may God bless you with health and wealth.
Happy birthday, Aya! Lagi nang magpakabait na bata, ha? Lagi makikinig sa mami at sa daddy. Always love them, ha? Okay? Alam ko naman you're so sweet to them, right? Happiest birthday, Aya. I just wish and I hope that like your dress, you will grow beautifully, and then that your life will be colorful, that you will fly high towards your dream. And love your mom and dad always. I love you.
celebrate na po namin yung birthday niya doon sa US. Pero kami-kami lang. Kaya dito namin sinelebrate ng maramihan para mas matuwa siya at mas maraming kids. So sana nag-i-enjoy ka ngayon. Are you enjoying? Okay, that's good. And happy birthday. This is all for you. Because we wanted to make you happy. And sana sundin mo lagi kami. Sana ay hindi laging nakasimangot. Okay? Sana ay laging nakangiti. Okay? Ha? Aya is a very sweet girl. Siya po ay laging nagsasabi ng I love you, lalo na pag nagagalit na ako, nag-I love you na siya. So parang nawawala na yung galit ko.
just that we are always here for you. Mommy and Daddy love you so much. You know it already, and just keep your sweetness and always listen to us. We are here always for you. Whatever it takes, we are always here for you. And don't forget to pray, okay? And enjoy your day and happy birthday ulit. I love you.
Paniniwala na dapat makipaguluhan sa karera. Kung wala namang karera, dahan-dahan, tahan lang. Kakayanin, umpisa ka lang.
Daddy, thank you for everything you've done to me. Thank you for coming every birthday to me.
At panibagong umaga, ang pagsimula muli ay isang tagumpay na. Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di dahan-dahan lang, buhay ay di kalala. Walang masyadong mabagal, walang may bilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi kami mipis. Hingang malalim lang at tanaan, ikay may hawak ng iyong ba. Walang masyadong mabagal, walang mabilis sa pagtakbo ng buhay, hindi kami mintis. Hingang malalim lang at
Kuya, kiss na ako. Kiss na ako. Pati sige lang. Wow!